Okay, my dear students, now we are back to our history period. Last session, we have mentioned some of the great people like Gautama Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus Christ, etc. And we had learned they tried to save the people from widespread social misery, inequalities, superstitions, etc. But together with we found these people, though their paths are different, but their teachings were based on similar tenets. Again, last session we stopped after discussing the similar trends of great people. Now you have to start about the rise of Christianity. Last time, just we mentioned that Christianity arose the land of Judea. Where is that? Modern Israel. We had come to know that ancient times, the Judea people, the Israel people, they were under the rule of Romans. At that time, Judea state, the Israel, they were suffering in a state of disturbances. The Jews, they were persecuted by Romans. They forced to follow the laws made by Roman people. And they forced by Roman people to worship their king. The Jewish people, they closely guarded their religious laws and rituals. When Roman people forced them to worship the Roman ruler or king, then they were not happy because they were behind their religion and their religious rules. And they were waiting of Messiah. Messiah means Savior, one who would deliver from Roman domination. In that time, in ancient time, the gap between rich and the poor were wide. Were widened. The common people sought deliverance from these miseries. They were, in short, we can say, they were waiting for Messiah. And they thought Messiah will come and will save them from the present situation. It was under such circumstances that Christianity arose. We stopped here in last session. Now let us continue. Go forward. Now next topic, rise of Christianity. Jesus. Jesus was the founder of Christianity. He was born a Jew. He was born in modern Israel. He was given the title Christ. What is the meaning of Christ? It's a Greek word which means the anointed, sent by one who is sent by God. God has entrusted him to save the Israel people from Roman rule or people from such kinds of pathetic situation. Or one who has attained divinity. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. What do you mean by Bible? Bible means book. The Bible included two parts. One is New Testament and another one is Old Testament. Old Testament explains the records, the origin of Jews and their early life. But what about the New Testament? New Testament records the deeds and teachings of Christ. Okay, we have to think, what is Old Testament? Old Testament records the origin of Jews. But same time, what about New Testament? New Testament records the deeds and teachings of Jesus. The story of Jesus' life was told in the four Gospels. These Gospels are written by Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. They were the disciples of Jesus Christ. Disciple means student. They lived with Jesus and they understand the life of Jesus and they heard the words and teachings of Jesus. Afterwards, they wrote the story of Jesus' life. That is what Gospels. Four Gospels are here. These Gospels are included in New Testament.